Okay, so the question is, we have heard that the current grade 10 students are having IB assessments, but the rest are taking O-levels. We would like to know how the curriculum changes according to this news. We would also like to know the reason for the school's decision. So I'll go through the first part. The reason why the school shifted from its endpoint assessment in grade 11 being the E-assessment to the IGCSE is because the E-assessment was unfavorable to our students in a specific context. Two specific contexts to be precise. One, if a student doing the IGCSE received 6 credits and 1 fail, that student would still go to university. In the IB system, that student would not get the MYP certificate because there was 1 failure. So IGCSE student, 6 credits and 1 fail, that student can still go on to a pre-university program because the IGCSE is regarded as separate subjects. Whereas an MYP student would have 6 credits and 1 fails in there, very similar, but this student would not receive the MYP certificate and therefore would not be able to go to pre-university. That's the first reason. Secondly, the preparation for the E-assessment was becoming quite tortuous. Over the last 2 years, we persisted with the IB, and unfortunately, over the last year or so, we have come to the conclusion that the preparation that the IB has provided us running up to the E-assessment was not adequate and disadvantageous to our students. While we still believe in the IB, pedagogy and the system, we believe that the assessment specific is not advantageous to our students any further. So our school's decision is to continue teaching in the IB pedagogy, IB method, all the way up to grade 11. No changes there. However, the exam that the students will sit at the end point will change from the E-assessment over to the IGCSE. The way that they are taught will stay the same. There will be a slight adjustment in the last 3 months before the IGCSE exams to help the students prepare for those exams, but our students should not feel any difference. That's it.